Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you today? Are you fine? That's great. Okay, girls. Are you excited to start my own lesson for today? Bravo, girls. Okay, now let's start my own lesson for today. But before starting my lesson, I should ask you about the day and the date as you know. Who can tell me, girls, what's the day today? Today is Monday. Let's spell the word Monday together. Monday, and the date is 25 to 1442 after Hijrah. Okay, girls? Today is Monday, Monday, and the date is 25 to 1442 after Hijrah. Now, let's take a quick revision before starting my own lesson for today. We will play together balloons game, okay? Now, let's see number 1. What's the question behind this number? How do you feel today? I feel happy today. Now, I will throw one balloon. Let's see question number 2. Make a sentence using hungry. Ahmed is hungry today. Let's throw another balloon. Let's see number 3. What do you do every day? I brush my teeth every day. I help my mother every day. I do my homework every day. I pray every day. I watch television every day. Okay, now I will throw one balloon. Let's see question number 10. Make a sentence using the present continuous. Ahmed is watching TV now. It's true. Now I will throw one balloon. Let's see question number 9. Choose the right answer. We have S, am, and are. We, then space, playing basketball. We what? We is, we am, or we are? Of course we are. So we are playing basketball. It's true. So I will throw one balloon. Let's see. Question number 8. Choose the correct answer or choose the right answer. We have S, am, and are. She, then plus space, watching TV. She what? She is, she am, or she are? Of course she is. So she is watching TV. Now I will throw one balloon. Let's see question number 7. Choose the right answer. S, am, and are. I. Class, you should use with I am directly. I am swimming. So the right answer is am. I will throw another balloon. Number 6. True or false? He are playing basketball. He are playing basketball? Of course wrong. We should say he is playing basketball. Okay, girls? Now, let's see question number 4. Make a sentence using cold. Ahmed is cold today. Now I will throw one balloon. Let's see question number 5. Make a sentence using hungry. Amal is hungry today. Now I answered all the questions correctly. Now I will throw the last balloon. Okay, girls? Now let's start my own lesson for today. Unit 3, lesson 2. It's about things we do. It's about things we do as we said before. Page number 22 and 23, girls. Now let's see the present continuous. Please, girls, you should focus with me. Focus with me, please, girls. Now we have the personal pronoun I. What should I use with I? Which verb to be I should use? I am. I am, girls. I am. Repeat after me, please. I am. I am. I am plus the verb with ing. This is the present continuous. I am plus verb with ing. Okay? Now, let's make a sentence here. He is watching TV. He is watching TV. Now, let's see the present continuous. We have she, he, and it. He, she, and it. What should I use? Which verb to be I should use? She is watching TV. Okay, for example, she is, he is, it is. These are singular pronouns, so I should use is plus the verb with ing. Okay, now let's make a sentence here. Here I have a girl, so I should say she is swimming. She is swimming. Girls, I should use am. Repeat after me. I am. She is. He is. It is. Plus the verb with ing. Okay, girls? Now let's see the last one. We have they, we, and you. What should we use with they, we, and you? We should use are. Again, they are. We are. You are. Plus the verb with ing. For example, here in the picture, they are playing football. They are playing playing football. Okay? Now choose the right answer, girls. What can you see here? I can see a girl reading a book. So, what is she doing? She is swimming, she is writing, she is reading a book, or she is playing tennis. Of course, the correct answer is she is reading a book. Okay, girls? Now let's move to the second one. Choose the correct answer. What can you see first? I can see a boy swimming. So, what is he doing? Number one, he is jumping? No. Two, he is playing karate? No. Three, he is swimming? Of course, here he is swimming. So, I should use number three. He is swimming. Number three. Choose the correct answer. We, then space, learning English. What should I use with we? Is am or are? As we said before, we should use with we are. So, am, is, does, or are? No, we should not use am. We should not use is and does. We should use are. We are learning English. We are learning English. Okay, girls? As I told you before, girls, I should use with I what? Am. So I am watching TV. I am watching TV. Okay, I am. They playing football. They playing football. They what? What should you use with they? Is am or are? I should use with they are. So number four. They are playing football. Basketball. Sorry, girls. They are playing basketball. Sorry for this mistake, girls. So they are playing basketball. Okay, girls? Now, let's see the new word in our lesson today. What's the new word here? It's karate. Let's spell the word Karate. 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 He is doing karate. He is doing karate. Okay, girls? He is doing karate. Okay? Now let's see the second word in my lesson today. What's he doing? He is playing what? He is playing football. Let's spell the word football together. Football. Football. He is playing football. He is playing ing football. Okay, girls? So we have the word karate and the word football. He is doing karate and he is playing football. Okay, girls? He is doing karate and he is playing football. Now, I want you to open your box, girls. Please open your box. Page number, girls. Page number 22. Please, girls, open page number 22. And listen, please, girls. Listen.
Listening. Exercise 1. Listen and chant. What are you doing?
What are you doing? I'm doing karate, doing karate, doing karate. What are you doing? I'm doing karate. And how about you? What are you doing? I'm playing football, playing football, playing football. What are you doing? I'm playing football. And how about you?
Okay, girls, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm doing karate, doing karate, doing karate. What are you doing? I'm doing karate. And how about you? What are you doing? I am playing football, playing football, playing football. What are you doing? I am playing football. And how about you? Okay, girls, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm doing karate, doing karate, doing karate. What are you doing? I'm doing karate. And how about you? What are you doing? I'm playing football, playing football, playing football. What are you doing? I'm playing football. And how about you? Okay, girls, you should read this song. Okay, read this song alone, girls. Now let's move to our notebook, girls. Now I want you to open your notebook. Write the day with the date. Write the day with the date, girls, please. Then copy this song in your notebook. Copy this song in your notebook, please, girls. You should write in a beautiful handwriting. You should write between the lines. Please, girls, your handwriting should be very, very beautiful. Okay, girls? Now, let's move to the fun time. True or false action game. Run to the T or false when your teacher does the action. T means true, F means false. Okay? Now listen, please.
Exercise 3. True or false action game. Run to the T or F when your teacher does the action.
Here I want you to
Are
listen.
you ready?
Listen just.
Let's start. I'm playing basketball.
I think it's true.
The correct answer is true. I'm playing basketball. I'm doing my homework.
I think it's true. I think it's false.
The correct answer is true. I'm doing my homework. I'm eating snacks. The correct answer is false. I'm doing karate. Okay, good. Let's play for real.
Okay, girls, we will play this game together in my life, okay? Now, let's move to the activity book, girls. The activity book, page number 81 and 82. 81 and 82. Here, I want you to read this song, then trace the gray words. Trace what are you doing? I'm doing karate. What are you doing? I'm playing football. You should trace these gray words. Then I want you to match the words. We have doing, playing, and watching. Focus with me, please, girls. Doing, playing, and watching. These are verbs. And here we have nouns. Now we have doing. What should we match? We should match doing with homework. I'm doing homework. I'm doing karate, playing football, and watching TV. Again, doing homework, doing karate, playing football, and watching TV. Okay, girls? Doing homework, doing karate, playing football, and watching TV. Okay, girls? Now let's move to page 82. I want you to trace the gray words here. I'm playing football, false. I'm playing computer games, true. Then listen and circle true or false. Number one, we have I'm playing football in the picture. It's a true or false? Is he playing football? Of course not. So it's false. I'm playing computer games here in picture number two. Is it true? No, it's false. Number three, I'm doing karate. I'm doing karate here. False. And number five, I'm doing karate here. It's true. Okay, girls? Now, write 5 sentences using the present continuous. Write 5 sentences using the present continuous. Please, girls, I want you to do this exercise. Write 5 sentences using the present continuous. As I'm reading a book, I'm watching TV, I am swimming, I am running. Okay, girls? This is the end of my own lesson today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time. Goodbye, girls.